I want to talk to you about something I see in a lot of lockout tagout procedures that could cause you to be in an unsafe condition. We turn our disconnect off, we put our lock on, and then we take our meter and we check to see if we have voltage. We don't have any voltage, so we start our work. How do we know our meter's any good? We should check a known good source before we start. But a lot of us work out in the field where we get out there and there is no power, we think. So how do we even know what a known good source is? And that's where this Fluke FS proving unit comes in handy. It has a selector switch for field sense DC. To start with, I'm going to be testing AC. I'm going to take the red lead to the red post, the black lead to the black post, and when I press in, we'll get a green LED, and we see it's saying 240 volt AC. Now, if I want to check DC, I switch to DC here. I put the red back on the red, the black on the black, and when I press in, I get a light again, and it says 250 volt. FieldSense comes in handy on this T61000, which we did the review on previously. Switch it over to FieldSense, and then there's two modes. We have a test lead ground contact, and we have a finger contact. And if we're using the finger, then our finger is on the back of this, and we're going to press that. For the test lead contact, we pull the black lead out of the T6, put the field sense in place, and then press the black lead in, and it says 240 volts. So two big advantages of this. First, if you're out in the field where you may not have a good known source, that's definitely an item to have in your tool bag. But then remember that video where we were getting all the crazy readings with the Brand X meter? We could use this even on the Brand X meter to figure out if it's an issue with the meter or with our power. If you missed those videos, then I created this playlist right here with some great meter advice.